Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about Civics, Unit 2, Election, Political Parties, and Pressure Group. Before we are going to study about new topic, let's recap the topic which we discussed in the previous video. Students, already we have studied electoral system in India. In this, Independent Election Commission and the preparation of electoral rolls and the parliament, which including both houses of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, and the election process was studied. Next, introduction of the nota option. In this, we have studied in 1961 Nota Rule 49O, conduct of election rules, which explains the procedure of nota. But nota was first introduced in the general election which held in 2014. Last topic we discussed in the previous video, type of election in India. In this, direct election and indirect election, also the merits and demerits of direct election and indirect election merits and demerits we discussed. Now we will move to new topic, political parties. Political parties are very important part of the democracy because political parties are linked between the government and the people. What is political party? A political party is an organization, which means a group of people with a certain ideology and agenda to contest the elections and hold the power in the government, which consists of three components. They are a leader, active member, and the followers. Types of a party system. There are three types of party system. They are single party system, two party system, and multi-party system. Single party system, which means here only one ruling party, there is no opposition party. Example, China, Cuba, and former USSR. Two party system, which means one ruling party and one opposition party are exist. Example, USA and UK. Multi-party system. Here there are more than two political parties are existed. For example, India, Sri Lanka, France and Italy. Types of political parties. Political parties are classified into two types. They are national parties and state parties. National parties including ruling party and opposition parties. Similarly, state parties are including ruling party and opposition parties. National parties. A party recognized by the Election Commission, it secure at least 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha election in 4 or more states. It is called national party. Example, Congress, BJP. These parties are given a unique symbol also. In 2017, there were 7 recognized national parties in India. State parties. A party that secure at least 6% of total votes in an election to the Legislative Assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats in recognized as a state. It is called as state parties. These parties also known as regional parties. Functions of political parties. Main and important work of political parties: contest elections, and parties put forward, which refers ahead their policies and programs before the electorate to choose. Here the electorate refers all the people a country who entitled to vote the election. And parties play a significant role in making laws for a country. Parties form and run the government. Those parties that lose in the elections, that party play the role of opposition party. And the opposition parties always criticizing the government policies. And the parties shape like a public opinion. And also the parties functions as link between the people and also the government. Role of opposition parties. The opposition parties have the right to check the expenditure of the government also. During the question hour, the opposition parties criticize the government. The leader of the opposition party occupied an important place, so he enjoyed the rank of a cabinet minister, and he opposes the wrong policies of the ruling party. He played an important role to select the chairman and member of the Central Vigilance Commission and chairperson and member of the Information Commission also. Next topic, pressure group. The term pressure group originated in the USA. What is pressure group? A pressure group that tries to influence public policy in the interest of common cause, known as pressure group. The pressure group are also called interest groups. They are different from the political parties in that they neither contest elections nor try to capture the political power. Pressure groups in India. A large number of pressure groups exist in India, but they are not developed to the same extent as in the USA or the Western countries. The pressure groups in India classified into some categories. They are business groups, trade unions, professional associations, students organizations, religious organizations, linguistic groups, ideology based groups. Functions of pressure group in India. As I said already, the pressure groups are the interest groups, and they are work to secure certain interests for public policy, and they are not aligned with any political party. And the pressure group carry lot of works, including representation, political participation, education, policy formulation, and policy implementation. Political participation of pressure group. The pressure group can be called informal phase of politics. So they always support through the activities such as petitions, marches, demonstrations, and other form of political protests. Role of education in pressure group. Many pressure groups devote, which refers dedicate, significant role in carrying out of research, maintaining websites, commenting on government policies, and so on. Role of policy formulation in pressure group. Pressure groups are not policy makers and they does not prevent any policy making process, but they render advice to the government. Therefore, they are regularly consulted in the process of policy formulation. Mobilization and people participation. Sometimes earthquake and tsunami, floods and other such as natural disasters on a massive scale happened. The people immediately mobilization for emergency relief become most essential. Democratic participation. Each and every people can take action. They support the tax and revenue collection system, observation of national norms in environmental protection, cleanliness, health and hygienic and sanitary, and also the immunization program like pulse polio. And the people of India, along with the union and state government, should come together to create better society and the nation. Okay, thank you students.